Our defeat was a lesson we needed. Now we rise again, stronger and wiser. Tunibolia is reborn with a purpose. We won't make the same mistakes. This time our strategy is solid and our unity is unbreakable.
The Titans are ready, but this time we fight not just with strength, but with intelligence and teamwork.
Zetamilitech won't see us coming. We've retooled, recalibrated, and we're ready for them.
Today we take the fight back to Zetamilitech. Every lesson we've learned, every scar we bear will drive us forward. We fight for those we lost and for the future we must secure. Remember why we formed Tunibolia. This alliance is our greatest weapon. We're not just fighting as separate factions. We are one force, unstoppable and united.
Titans, advance. Strike with precision, strike with purpose. We've come too far to fail now.
Focus your fire. We've identified their weak points. This is our chance to turn the tide.
Amidst the chaos, we're pushing them back. Keep the pressure on. We can win this. With determination, Tunibolia stands firm. Today, we reclaim our strength and our hope. For every fallen comrade, for every loss we've endured, we fight.
To the team, Zetamilitech is faltering. They didn't expect us to come back so soon, so strong. We can't let up now. Victory is within our grasp.
Grimly, but be wary. They're desperate, and desperate enemies are the most dangerous. Stay focused, and don't let your guard down.